Hi, my name is Lindsey Vertner, and I'm a peak potential strategist and transformational speaker based out of Indiana. And I recently took the boot camp with Miss Taria Vision Avon, and to say it was phenomenal is an understatement. It was amazing. Taria went over every single detail from start to finish on completing your book. She taught us how to create a strong foundation for the book, how to do the outline, how to fill in the content, how to format the book. She even went over how to find editors and formatters without breaking the bank so that you can deliver a flawless book and not a bootleg book, okay? I got my shirt. I am officially an authorpreneur. I have graduated the class, and I promise you will not regret it. So if you are even a little bit thinking about writing a book, then make sure you sign up for the next boot camp. And if you're not sure, sign up anyway, because Taria will help you to come up with ideas for your book. All of you have a story. Your story is powerful, and this is definitely going to help you to get it out into the world. And listen, she will give you all of the tools that you need to be a successful authorpreneur. So make sure you sign up today. And thank you again, Taria, for the opportunity. I'm excited to release my book, First Class Life, out into the world. And it is all thanks to your boot camp.